Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And today I'm going to be talking about another partnership. So I actually partnered up with Chevelle Cosmetics, and they reached out to me. You can find them on Amazon. They reached out to me and they wanted me to try out their product, and they wanted me to tell you guys what I thought about the product and just kind of give you guys my honest review. So today is kind of just like an unboxing how-to, and then stay tuned. It's going to be on my blog to see if there's actual results on this product. So the product that they gave me is the Top Lash Pro. I like how, first of all, this comes packaged. So you open it up by just simply going like this, and then it comes in its own little like protective, I don't even know what like shape this is. It kind of looks like a star, like its own protective star. So then you open it up and you just pop it out. This is an eyelash enhancing serum. It has collagen, ginseng, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say these words. Okay, but let me give you guys a little bit more information. So I'm just going to read the back here so you guys can follow along. It's a highly effective eyelash growth serum with collagen, ginseng, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol for natural, long, and voluminous eyelashes. It contains a very effective eyelash growth enhancing agent, which is called isoprotha. Okay, so I don't know how to say some of those words, so I'm just going to kind of gloss over that, which originates from glaucoma research and has been further developed for cosmetic use. Achieve amazing results in only a few weeks. The innovative and highly effective formula in the Chevelle Top Lash Pro Eyelash Serum has been clinically developed and manufactured in Germany. First results will be visible within 2 to 4 weeks. Your eyelashes will be longer, denser, and stronger. But before the first time use, please read the instructions carefully. And it has been developed and manufactured without any animal experiments and contains no parabens, which is good. Okay, so these are the directions. I'm going to apply it for the first time today for you guys, and I'm going to go through the instructions, and then just stay tuned for my blog, because there is going to be like an updated blog post on how it's working. I can even like include some photos if you guys want. I could try to take like before photos of my eyelashes, and then in about 2 weeks I'll do after photos for you guys. Okay, so these are the instructions. Let's open this up and let's find the English. So I just had a moment, and my grandma actually found that it does have an English side. I was looking up here where it says like GBC, ZSK, RUS. I was just looking for like English, like ENG, whatever like the abbreviation is, and I couldn't find it. But Grandma, after she was done translating it to me, was looking and said they should have an English side over there. And I was like, I don't see it, Grandma. And then she pointed out that this, the GB side, is English. So, lesson learned. Read, don't just like skim. So now I'll read the directions to you guys. Okay, that literally took like 10 minutes. Okay, so application. Apply it just like a normal eyeliner. It says the eyelash and eyebrow serum. I don't know if you could use, I mean, I'm assuming if you could use this on your eyes, you could use it on your brows. Ideally in the evening after cleansing of the eye area and to the outer lash line as shown in the illustration. One brush stroke is perfectly sufficient. For treatment of the eyebrows, please follow the same procedure. Allow it to work briefly. After that, you can continue to use other care products as usual. First visual changes to the eyelashes can be seen after 2 to 6 weeks. The maximum natural growth potential of the eyelashes and eyebrows can be reached around 16 weeks for most customers using this serum. Then it just gives like the important notice, like stop if anything like happens. So I'm gonna try this out now. I know that it's like during the day, but this was the only time that I could actually film it, so we're just gonna go ahead and use it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I like the packaging. It's really sleek. It's like glass. It looks really, really pretty. And I like how it comes with this tape right here. That is just the security tape. I do really, really like that. So I'm just going to take that off and undo this. So again, this is the first time I am opening up this. It really doesn't really have a scent. It kind of reminds me of like a lotion or baby oil. It doesn't smell bad. The applicator is, I don't know if you guys can tell. The applicator is very, very thin. So I like that, so you can get all up in your lash line. So I feel like it's gonna be easy. So I'm just gonna put the hair back and apply it. Okay, so like I said, really no scent. And I'm just going to apply it like a regular eyeliner, like it said to. I'm just going to do my top. I'm kind of just like putting it on the root of my eyelashes. Okay, it really doesn't feel like anything. And then it said that you could do it on your brows, but I'm not going to do it on my brows right now. But I feel like I totally would use it in like my sparse area, like right down here where I got waxed and the girl kind of just messed up my tail. So I could like probably put it like here. I don't know. I feel like I'm definitely going to use this for my brows too. But I really don't feel anything on my eyelids. It was like, you guys saw, it was super simple. I do like using, I do like using like an up close mirror so you can get that nice tight line. It basically feels dry right now. Like I don't even see it, like the residue on my actual eyelid, which is good. But yeah, I mean, like I said, this is my first time opening this up, just an unboxing, and so far I like it. It doesn't irritate my eyes. I do have my contacts in. It's not bothering me. It's not making my eyes like dry or anything. It literally kind of just like disappeared. But I feel like I'm definitely going to use this, and I am definitely going to keep you guys posted on this product, and I will do after pictures for you guys as well, so you guys can see how it's working. But yeah, that is it for this video. It's super like quick. I want to give a big thank you to Chevelle Cosmetics for gifting me this product, and I'm really excited and I hope that it does work. But stay tuned. I'll probably update you guys in about 2 to 4 weeks. It is going to be a little difficult because I do have some like family things going on. But I'll definitely try to keep you guys posted on my blog about this. I'm going to use this every single night. I'm just going to put it in my medicine cabinet so it becomes part of my routine. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I see that I'm slowly gaining followers. I think I'm at 53 as I'm recording this right now, and I'm so thankful and so grateful for you guys. Thank you guys so much. But please, let's try to make it to 100. Please like, comment, subscribe, and you guys can share this video on Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want, and just tag me. Let me know if you guys have ever used an eyelash growth serum. What is your favorite? Or if you're like interested in trying out an eyelash growth serum. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.